Most games give the player multiple attempts to try to beat a level, usually by displaying health or lives. In this example, we'll give the player 4 hearts that they can see, and each heart gives them an extra life. That way, when they die, they don't have to restart the whole game. So to display hearts in the game, we need to place a heart that we can reuse. We'll do that in the UI layer, the user interface layer. We'll go find a heart from our pack. Here's a heart. Pop it in here. And we'll add a script to this heart. Now this heart is going to be like our master heart, which the player can manipulate and create more copies of to show how many lives we have. So we'll say, when created, give it a tag so that the player can target it. That's under sensing, add tag, heart on myself, and we'll disable the physics on it as well. We don't want it bumping into things. Set physics enabled, false. Now this heart can be cloned, so we can go to the player script. So we'll save that, call it our heart, and now we'll go and edit our player script. So the player is going to keep track of how many lives it has and how many hearts it needs to display. We want to go to our when the level starts block, and in here, if this is the correct player that's been selected, we want to have a new variable to keep track of how many lives we have. So go to variables, under properties, create a new variable. This will be a number variable, and it won't be called it'll be called lives. Number of lives. Put that in there, make a bit more space. And how many lives do you want to start out with? It's up to you really. I'm going to start out with 4. 4 lives. Next, we need to get our heart to next we need to create more copies of that heart to reflect the amount of lives we have. So we'll go and make a new function for this, and this will be our set up hearts function. Make a bit of space in here, and what do we want this to do? Well, we want to create 3 more hearts because we got 1 already. We want to create a new instance of that heart. So go to draw, create new instance. This is how we create clones of an object. Create a new instance of class. We don't know what that is, that's undefined. So we'll say class of the first thing we can find with heart tag. So we'll go to sensing and grab under class, we want class of myself. But we don't want the player making copies of itself, so get rid of the myself part. We want to target the thing that has the tag heart. First instance by tag heart. There we go.